Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Westchester County, northeastern Bergen County, Rockland County, until 4:45 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from a thunderstorm near Norwood, or near Tappan, remaining nearly stationary. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Warrendale, White Plains, Harrison and Scarsdale. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Floodwaters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Bergen, New Jersey, and the following counties in New York, Rockland and Westchester.